Tennant Company brings you the M17, a versatile battery-powered sweeper scrubber with flexible options and enhanced capabilities. Want to know more about the M17? Follow along as we cover the highlights of this powerful cleaning machine. First, let's cover the basics. You can clean confidently with standard features such as powered high dump, excellent water recovery, large battery capacity, two-stage dust control system, easy-to-access yellow maintenance touch points, large capacity solution and recovery tanks, and operator-focused design. The M17's scrubbing path reaches up to 48 inches, and the standard dual sweeping side brushes reach up to 67 inches, offering exceptional cleaning in a single pass, increasing productivity. Speaking of sweeping, if you commonly pick up light debris like small wood chips, soda cans, or paper debris, the dual-force sweeping system uses dual counter-rotating brushes to capture debris in one pass. For larger pallet chips and fine debris like dust or sand, the direct-throw sweeping system will ensure your floors are spotless after sweeping. Tennant's ShakeMax filter shaker system and the two-stage filtration system effectively contains dust generated during the sweeping process. Large capacity batteries help maintain indoor air quality and improve productivity by providing up to 7.5 hours of runtime. When scrubbing with your M17, you'll see exceptional water pickup with a swinging squeegee and revolutionary water trap to help reduce the risk of slip and falls. Reduce environmental impact and improve your bottom line through higher productivity and chemical cost savings with exclusive EC Water technology. EC Water helps you efficiently scrub floors and use up to 70% less water. A full tank of water will last up to 2.5 hours with EC Water and allows scrubbing 2 to 3 times longer than with conventional scrubbers. Operation of the M17 couldn't be more intuitive. Simply push the large green one-step button and start cleaning. The cab-forward design and steering wheel-mounted controls provide increased visibility for the operator, while car-like propel and brake pedals allow for intuitive operation. The optional features available on the M17 are designed to help increase productivity, make cleaning easier, and provide a positive cleaning experience. The versatility of the M17 ensures there is a configuration that meets your cleaning needs. The optional Pro Panel LCD control module integrates multiple controls into an intuitive touchscreen interface, simplifying operation and ensuring consistent cleaning performance for all operators. Pro ID prevents unauthorized machine use and provides operators with a personalized cleaning setting upon login. Additionally, Performance View allows operators a rear view of the cleaning path without having to turn around in their seat, and when in reverse, operators can view what's behind them. The M17 has an optional high-power pressure washer and applies up to 2,500 psi to remove tough soils on the floor or clean non-floor surfaces. The optional Live Wand easily and effectively picks up shrink wrap and other small debris and allows the operator to pick up debris while driving the machine. Leverage existing hydrogen fuel cell infrastructure with the new M17 Fuel Cell Ready option, which provides fume-free operation. At the end of a cleaning shift, the M17 is quick and easy to clean out. Simply twist the variable drain cuff to adjust the flow of dirty water to match the capacity of your drain. The recovery tank access step provides easy accessibility to the tank to ensure a proper cleanout. An optional spray nozzle allows for remote cleaning and makes quick work of spraying down the recovery tank, squeegee, and scrub deck. The M17's squeegees and brushes are designed to be removed easily and quickly for inspection without the use of tools. Using quality Tennant True brushes, pads, and squeegee blades in good condition helps your machine perform at its best. Tennant's M17 delivers exceptional versatility and productivity for your facility's needs. Tennant, reinvent how the world cleans.